Na kabinta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasngi. Ukonrat ki sangma ulayathu kakinhun menteri kala menjur bandan da Meghalaya Education Recruitment Board MERB bane shirta. Na benda ban thungkam habaro ki kambalai jongkatnan education hapo kalai hadu ndriubnai. Kajing shim jing menjur jong kakinhun menteri kalong badan hadu shispa prapnyo teliki kambalan hapo katnan education khamtam haka higher and technical education wat ki secondary but high secondary but ki wei ki kerdanru. Shushu lasngo bakane ka board ka day bandan ban pendep ya kajing thungkam hapdeng kalai hadu ndriubnai habaro kini ki kambalan yatu menteri rangba. Menteri rangba habayathu kamat baka Sorkar ka shim kila donbun ki kam ki balad barka MPSCN kam shim lala ban pelong ya ki exam hakapor ka babiang. Menta kani ka Sorkar kala raikut banthung kumbale ya ka Health Recruitment Board kan long kumju ya ka Education Recruitment Board kan shim kharu ya ki jingthung kam habaro ki kam bere barka puli ka dangni.
Number 3, we also have decided today that we will be constituting a permanent Meghalaya Education Recruitment Board. As you are aware that we had come out with a Health Recruitment Board and the main reason for this was that there were a large number of vacancies and MPSC was not able to conduct the examinations on time. And if you recall, we had a gap of about 5 years for the teachers, for the doctors to be appointed. But as soon as we came out with the Health Recruitment Board, we were able to recruit 500 doctors in a matter of 3 months' time. Similarly, there are close to about 187 vacancies as we speak in the education, especially in the higher and technical education, even secondary and higher secondary and other levels. And hence, we strongly feel, and in some cases, the vacancies have been there for almost 3 to 4 years also. And hence, we strongly feel this board should be there. And this recruitment board should complete the recruitment process within the next 3 months to maximum 6 months time for these vacancies. And another decision which we took was that this recruitment board will also be the overall arching board that is going to take care of the recruitments of all education related matters. And hence, school teachers education also. Once we complete this current phase of recruitment of teachers which is going on, then this also will be brought in within this recruitment board for education so that there is one education recruitment board. But the procedures and processes that are being followed for the respective recruitments will continue as they are right now because school teachers are done at the division level and therefore those processes will not change, but the entire the management of the recruitment will come under this particular education board. So that was also another major decision, and we are hopeful that with this decision all the vacancies that are there pending in the education department will be filled up very soon. As I said, within 3 to 6 months we expect to complete it. The fourth decision that was taken today was the renaming of the Labour Department. As you're aware, that Labour Department is much broader than just simply looking at labour. It looks at other aspects of employment and many aspects of skill development. And hence we found it appropriate that the Labour Department's name as well as their activities should be broadened. The activities already are broad and skill development to a large extent takes place via the Labour Department. And hence we have decided to rename the Department of Labour as Department of Labour, Employment and Skill Development. So these were the 4 decisions that were taken in the cabinet today. Thank you very much. Then we have the different government secondary schools, higher secondary schools. I was in Rungringri last time, if you remember, in William Nagar, and the management there told me that it's been 5 years since the temporary principal has been performing duties because of recruitment of the principal of Rungringri Government Higher Secondary School was not done. In MPS it took 5 years to complete it because they are overloaded. So it's not their fault. They're doing a lot of work, but it's just too much of a burden on them. So it's for those posts. So I'm talking about those angles. Government LP school recruitment, that is going on separately. But once this particular recruitment phase is done, for the future, all recruitments will come under this board. But at the same time, even if they come under this board, the procedure of recruitment will remain the same.